The Talking Tree. Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Eldergrove, nestled at the edge of a vast and ancient forest, there stood a tree unlike any other. This tree, tall and majestic with leaves that shimmered like emeralds in the sunlight, was known to the villagers as the Talking Tree. Legends had been passed down through generations about this tree, which was said to possess the wisdom of the ages and the ability to speak to those who approached it with a pure heart. The forest itself was a place of wonder and mystery. Dense and sprawling, it was home to a myriad of creatures, both ordinary and magical. Eldergrove's children often ventured into its outskirts, gathering berries, chasing butterflies, and imagining grand adventures. Among these children was a curious and brave girl named Lily. With her bright eyes and inquisitive nature, she was always eager to uncover the secrets of the forest. Lily had heard countless stories about the talking tree from her grandmother. Each tale painted the tree as a guardian of the forest, a wise entity that offered guidance and knowledge to those in need. Intrigued by these stories, Lily decided that she would one day find the tree and hear its wisdom for herself. Little did she know that her opportunity was just around the corner. One summer's day, as the sun cast a golden glow over the village, Lily set out on an adventure. She packed a small satchel with some bread, cheese, and a flask of water, and told her mother she was going to explore the forest. Her mother, used to Lily's adventurous spirit, reminded her to be careful and stay close to the well-trodden paths. Lily walked with purpose, her heart pounding with excitement.
She ventured deeper into the forest than she had ever gone before, her eyes scanning the trees for any sign of the one she sought.
The forest was alive with the sounds of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and the occasional scamper of small animals. The deeper she went, the more enchanting the forest became. Hours passed, and the forest grew denser. Just as she began to wonder if she would ever find the talking tree, she stumbled upon a clearing bathed in sunlight. At the center of the clearing stood a tree that was undeniably different from the rest. Its bark was smooth and silvery, and its leaves sparkled as if dusted with stardust. Lily's breath caught in her throat. She knew she had found the talking tree. With a mixture of reverence and curiosity, Lily approached the tree. She placed her hand gently on its trunk and whispered, "Hello, talking tree. My name is Lily, and I've come to hear your wisdom." For a moment, there was silence. Then, to her amazement, a soft, melodious voice filled the air. "Welcome, Lily," the tree spoke. Its voice was soothing, like the rustle of leaves in a gentle breeze. "I have been waiting for you. What is it that you seek?" Lily was astonished, but she quickly gathered her thoughts. "I seek knowledge and wisdom, talking tree. I've heard so many stories about you, and I wanted to see if they were true." The tree chuckled softly. "Stories have a way of growing with each telling, but yes, I am the talking tree. I have witnessed the passage of time and the unfolding of many stories. What knowledge do you seek, young one?" Lily pondered this question. There were so many things she wanted to know, but she decided to start with something close to her heart. Can you tell me about the magic of the forest? The trees' leaves rustled as if it were nodding. The forest is indeed a place of magic, but not all magic is as you might imagine. The true magic lies in the balance of life, in the interconnectedness of all things. Every tree, every flower, every creature plays a role in this great tapestry. The forest thrives when there is harmony, and it suffers when that balance is disrupted. Lily listened intently, absorbing the tree's words. How can I help maintain this balance? By respecting nature and all its inhabitants, the tree replied. Understand that you are a part of this world, not separate from it. Your actions have consequences, both seen and unseen. Plant trees, care for the animals, and protect the natural world. In doing so, you help preserve the magic of the forest. As the tree spoke, Lily felt a deep sense of responsibility and connection to the world around her. She realized that even small actions could make a big difference. Inspired by the tree's wisdom, she vowed to be a guardian of the forest. Days turned into weeks, and Lily visited the talking tree whenever she could. Each time, she learned something new. The tree shared stories of ancient times, of heroes and guardians who had protected the forest, and of the delicate balance that sustained all life. Lily's understanding of the world deepened, and she became a more mindful and compassionate person. One day, as Lily sat beneath the tree's branches, she asked a question that had been on her mind for some time. Talking tree, will you always be here to guide us? The tree's voice was gentle but firm. I am a part of this forest, and as long as the forest stands, I will be here. But remember, wisdom is not confined to me alone. It is found in the whispers of the wind, the songs of the birds, and the murmur of the streams. It is in the stories passed down through generations and in the hearts of those who listen and learn. You too carry this wisdom within you, Lily. Lily felt a surge of pride and determination. She knew that the talking tree was right. She had the power to make a difference, to be a force for good in the world. With this newfound confidence, she resolved to share the tree's wisdom with others. Back in the village, Lily became known as a storyteller and a protector of the forest. She taught the other children about the importance of respecting nature, and together they planted trees, cleaned up the forest, and cared for the animals. The villagers noticed the positive changes and supported their efforts. Years passed, and Lily grew into a wise and respected leader in Eldergrove. The forest flourished under her care, and the bond between the villagers and nature strengthened. The talking tree continued to stand tall and proud, a symbol of wisdom and harmony. One autumn day, as the leaves turned golden and the air grew crisp, Lily visited the talking tree with her own children. She introduced them to the tree and shared the stories and lessons she had learned. As they sat beneath its branches, the tree's voice filled the air once more. Welcome, young ones, the tree said. Your mother has done well to teach you the ways of the forest. Remember her lessons, and you will find wisdom in every corner of this world. The children listened with wide eyes and open hearts, just as Lily had done so many years ago. The cycle of learning and teaching continued, and the talking tree's wisdom lived on through each new generation. As the sun set over the village of Eldergrove, casting a warm glow over the forest, Lily felt a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. She knew that the legacy of the talking tree would endure, guiding and inspiring those who sought its wisdom. And so, the story of the talking tree and the village of Eldergrove continued, a testament to the enduring power of nature, wisdom, and the bonds that unite us all. The tree's voice echoed through the ages, a reminder that true magic lies in the balance of life and the harmony we create together.